Okay, the next one is how do plants make food? Okay, like all living things, plants need food to survive. Plants can make their own food. You can say that unlike humans who go to the grocery store, plants are like tiny chefs that they make their own food, okay, through the process of photosynthesis. Okay, how do plants make food? Plants use a process called photosynthesis to make sugar. They use this sugar as food. Okay, for photosynthesis, a plant needs water, carbon dioxide, and energy from light. Okay, you know the three main ingredients to make a meal. A plant need water, carbon dioxide, and energy. Okay, water. Water taken in by the roots from the soil. Air like you can say carbon dioxide taken in by the leaves from the air around them. And sunlight, this provides the energy. Okay, the plant uses its roots to take in water. It uses its leaf to take in carbon dioxide from the air. During photosynthesis, chlorophyll is in the plant's leaf traps energy from sunlight. The plant uses this energy to turn water and carbon dioxide into sugar. It then releases oxygen into the air as a waste product. The plants get the energy it needs to live from the sugar. We have the secret ingredients that plant uses is chlorophyll. Plant have something called chlorophyll in their leaves. This is what makes leaves green, and its job is to catch the sunlight so the plants can use. Okay, when the plant mixes the sunlight, water, and air together, it turns them into sugar. Okay, and this is basically the plant's food. It gives the plant energy to grow tall and stay healthy. Okay. Okay, pollination. Pollination is what happens when pollen lands on the female parts of the plant. Think of pollen like a tiny yellow message that needs to get from one flower to another. Okay? Tiny dust like grains, you can say pollen, land on a special part of the flower. And bees, butterflies, and even the wind act like mail carrier to deliver this pollen so the plants can eventually make new seeds. Okay? Germination. Germination is what happens when a seed or spore begins to grow. You can say that this is the moment a seed stops sleeping and starts growing. When a seed gets enough water, warmth, and soil, it wakes up and pops open. Okay, and photosynthesis, as I have told you, that photosynthesis is a process a plant uses to make food. During photosynthesis, the plants make sugar from water, carbon dioxide. This sugar is a plant food. Okay. Okay, the first one is like all living things, plants need to survive. Plants can make their own food. Just like you and me, plants also need food to live. Okay? The big difference is they don't have to go to a store or a cafe. They are amazing because they can make their own food. Okay? So, for photosynthesis, a plants need water, carbon dioxide, and energy. As I have told you that plants need three ingredients. The first one is water, the next one is carbon dioxide, and the third one is energy from light. Most plants use energy from sunlight. The plant uses its roots to take in water. It uses its leaf to take in carbon dioxide from the air. Okay. The next one is how do plants make food? As I have told you that plants uses a process called photosynthesis to make food. Okay. This food is called sugar. They use this sugar as food. Okay. The fourth one is during photosynthesis, chlorophyll is a plant's leaves trap energy from sunlight. Chlorophyll is basically the secret ingredients of the plant. Okay. The plant uses this energy to turn water and carbon dioxide into sugar. It then releases oxygen into the air as a waste product. The plant gets the energy it needs to live from the sugar. Okay. The next one is most plants do not need to eat. Plant uses photosynthesis to make sugar. This sugar is a food for plants. Plant uses energy from the sugar to grow. Okay? Like plant uses three main ingredients to make the sugar. Like the first one is carbon dioxide, the second one is water, and the third one is energy. Okay. The next one is plants do not eat minerals or soil. Plants take in minerals from the soil, but the minerals do not give them energy to grow. Plants uses minerals to keep their bodies healthy. Okay?